Lovemore Majaivana, Shuma Golide. Bulawayo still whispers your name. From Makokoba to Pumula, Cowdray Park to Mganwini, your songs still survive, and every street corner still remembers your choice. Lamatuke Ayakwazi together with their offsprings. Agekozati Mkwenyana Lingapi Shugela, like you used to do with laughter and flavor. Golide za chilu moya wami, your music walked with the poor and lonely. Umoya wami usekolab still touches our hearts. Even after all these years, your spirit never departs. Gingu golide, lizongi dingaling swele. You already knew your value before farewell. Sengi konjwa ligula mama echoes through the streets. Bulawayo still sings your melodies and beats. Salanini sinini, boto sugange. Every song you left became part of our story. From Emma Kombini to Emma Bawa, your voice still remains like old township fire, burning through the rains. Yagu kumbula Majaivana, buye kaya. Bulawayo still waits for you every day. Umuzi wako Bulawayo yakala nawe. Utibuye kaya, buye kaya. One last concert, one last night. Let the city sing beneath the light. 1, 2, 2, when your music plays, your voice still carries the old school days. Chuma Golide, hear our cry. Chuma Golide, hear our cry. Isono Sami taught us pain we still feel. Kolani Bantu Bagiti, sing Pambani Sile, we never forget. Gaginga Hambe Magumena Banya Bantu, stories of struggle that still feel true. Ulengani still shakes the crowd. Old men still sing your lyrics loud. Angila Malio buye kaya, yet your music always carried us home somehow. Emagumena Bafana Basali Lalipola, come watch one game before the curtain falls. Hear the township spirit calling me, BF. No goodbye, just one more return. Let the old school fire still burn, 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 burn. But your legacy stays young. Every generation still repeats your tongue. Kalantandane yami afelo angu mama still brings tears even to grown fathers. Saiweli Ulugudela siyofuni mali, songs of survival for ordinary people daily. Hingwebani leyela mabala, your voice still roars through Bulawayo after dark. Yiri godingenya wezi tabugileyo. We walked hard roads, but your songs pull